Good morning, you lovely lot. It's Thursday. How you doing? It's peeing down here and I'm cold and I'm fed up with the cold. I should feel grateful for the rain. I know we need the rain. I want to feel grateful for the rain. I know it's important, but I don't enjoy it and I'm not in that gratitude space for it right now. So I'm trying to tune into that, like we've just had some new turf put down and it needs lots of watering. So it's really doing me a favour. But I'm not feeling it. We are going to a garden centre today to look at some, their Christmassy stuff and have a drink. And so that should all be nice and I'll enjoy the side of winter that I really love, Christmas, rather than this cold and this rain. Anyway, sending lots of love to you, whatever you're doing, wherever you are. Just a reminder that Saturday is the deadline for my Nightmare Before Christmas workshop. If you want to come and do some EFT tapping with me, it's extremely accessible because it is the cost of a hot drink and it is going to be recorded for you and sent to you so that you can watch it at a time that's convenient for you. You can break it down into smaller sections if that's more flexible for you. So it's, it can work for everybody. But I've got to record it on Sunday because we're going away on Monday morning. So Saturday's my deadline for you to let me know you want to join that and send me your particular challenge so that I can incorporate EFT tapping specifically and personally for you into the workshop, and you'll get the benefit of everyone else's tapping as well. Okay, so excuse me, talking about tapping, let's do some tapping. So this is a member request and I love getting those because I know that it's going to serve a particular person, but also I know it's going to speak to us all as well. And it is the feeling that as a parent, I can't control this. So their scenario is, and you can find your own, but their scenario is their child or young person, their PDAer, is going through some kind of challenge, some kind of situation, some kind of turmoil. Maybe they're in meltdown, maybe they're in discomfort. And the parent can think of things that might support them, but they aren't able to incorporate those. There could be lots of reasons why there are blocks up to that child or young person being able to receive ideas, support. We all know these things. So it's that feeling of helplessness that you're seeing someone that you love that feels like your responsibility as well, struggling, suffering, and you just can't make suggestions or they're thrown back. And that feeling that comes up, I can't do anything about this, and having to just sit in that discomfort and not being able to control the situation or the outcome. Okay, and on that note, tapping under the little finger. And even though I can't control this, I am safe. And even though I can't do anything about this and it feels really hard, I love and accept all of us in this situation. And even though I can't control this, I can't do anything, I love and accept myself and my PDAer right where we are. Good, and we're going to tap up here and say, I can't control this. I can't control this. There's nothing I can do. I've tried everything and nothing works. I'm stuck and it feels awful and I can't control this. And I feel so helpless. And I feel lost. And I really can't control this. Or can I? Because there's a niggle of doubt. Maybe I should be doing something. Maybe I could be doing something. I'm scared I'm missing something. I'm scared I'm failing them. I'm scared the others are right, whoever they are. I'm scared I'm getting this wrong. I'm worried I'm failing them. It shouldn't be this hard. I should be able to do something. I'm the parent. Maybe I just need to take charge. Even though I have no idea what that actually means or how. It doesn't work. I have this feeling of being out of control. And I don't like it. This out of control feeling. I'm spiraling. I'm struggling. I'm lost. And it feels like this will never end. And I feel out of control. And it feels really wrong to be doing nothing. Even though I'm not doing nothing, because I'm here and I'm present and I'm full of love and I'm holding space. But this feels out of control. Just put your hand on your heart for me. And you can just take in a deep breath and hold at the top of the breath. And then just slowly release and allow that energy to move. That struggle, that resistance, that pain, as we've been able to voice it and move that energy. Allow it to come into this space where we can all hear it together. We can allow it to move with love. And we don't need to force it or push it to be anything else. We can be where we are, but we can be there where it's okay to speak it and it's okay to feel it. And in doing that, we can lessen our tension, lessen our resistance, lessen that static in our body's energy system. And we can come more into our peace and our sense of well-being and knowing that it's going to be okay, that we're safe. Okay, my love, I hope that landed with love for you. Thank you for requesting it. Remember who requested that one. And I hope you all enjoyed that. And please do always shout me your requests if you've got them, because we all love to enjoy the moments together. Take lots and lots of care of yourself. And I will see you tomorrow for cards. Bye.